In this video, I will show you how to get great deals at Lululemon by setting up the PriceLasso price tracker. PriceLasso shows you the historical prices at Lululemon with price history and sends you email alerts when the price drops to the amount that you want. By waiting a few weeks, you can often save significant amounts of money off the list price and avoid missing sales. In this case, this product is $138, which is not cheap. And to start price tracking it, let's just sign up for free at PriceLasso.com, add the browser extension, and then our green button will appear on pages. Once you click it, the product is added to your alerts page. You can easily customize the alert price here to whatever value you want. That's the value at which you'll get a price email alert. You can also see price history for products and see how the price changes over time. In addition to Lululemon, PriceLasso also lets you track prices at other large stores like Amazon, Walmart, Alo Yoga, and many more.